Hello everyone, I'm Syeda Faiza, your business management lecturer. Welcome back to the week 3 of academic skills and setting with confidence. So today's learning outcome is we're going to learn how to reference sources in the appropriate referencing style for the subject area. At the end of this session, you will be able to explain what is academic integrity, explain what is referencing, explain the importance of referencing, and generate references based on APA referencing style. Integrity. So basically, we're going to discuss about what is integrity, how important it is. Starting with academic integrity. So basically, academic integrity is being honest in your academic work. So you need to formally recognize and reference the existing knowledge and ideas on which your work is based. If you do not acknowledge the work or ideas of others, you could be penalized for academic misconduct. So this can happen when you breach academic integrity. Academic misconduct can happen when you do one of the common academic misconduct, which is plagiarism. Plagiarism is basically presenting others' work or ideas as your own, with or without the consent of the original author, without full acknowledgement. This is where referencing is important. So referencing means you state the source of information you have used while producing your work. There are different referencing styles, so be careful about the format. The most common used one is Harvard referencing system, but here we use the APS 7 referencing style. Why is referencing important? Referencing is very important to avoid plagiarism, to acknowledge the contribution of other writers and researchers in your work, to give credit and respect to the writers from whom you borrowed ideas and data, to allow the readers to trace the source of information you have used. So what is AP referencing? Through the video, we can learn what is AP referencing. Here is a demonstration how we can do in-text citation. So basically, in-text citation is a short citation that you can write within the text. Okay, in this way, you can write, you can write in-text citation at the beginning of the sentence or maybe at the end of the sentence. But the style is different when you write the in-text at the beginning of the sentence and at the end of the sentence. So when we do in-text citation, we write the author's surname and the year of publication in brackets. If we are using any book or any magazine, if we have the page number, we include the page number after the year. Here is an example of direct citation and indirect citation. Here is a group activity for everyone so that they can create the in-text citation for these following sources. Here is a demonstration of APS 7th edition of referencing style in detail so that it's easier for everyone to take notes and do the referencing correctly in APS 7 style. There are some order of references. That means reference lists must be arranged in alphabetical orders of the author's surnames. Here is a detailed list how to do the references, how to prepare the reference list correctly. Here is a slide about how to do the journal articles referencing in the APA 7th edition. So we write the author's surname and then their initials and then the year, then the DOI, then the article title, then the journal title, and then the page numbers and the DOI. If we have volume number, we include the volume numbers as well. Here is a group activity. Here's a demonstration of how to do the referencing of books. We use the author's name, last name, then their initials, then the year, then we close them in the year in the bracket, then we use the title in the italics, we use the edition and the publisher. Here is a group activity to do the reference of the book. Here is a demonstration of how we can do the different websites. So we use the author's last name, their initial, the year and date, the title in italics, then the URL and the website name. But before that, when we move on to the second line, we use the indentation of 5 to 7 spaces. Here is another group activity. We can use Cite This For Me to create reference in different styles. So next week, what are we going to learn is difference between APA and Harvard referencing style, common mistakes in referencing, plagiarism, and paraphrasing. Thank you.